Earlier, when my hair get to this length, in the words of Chizzy, y'all can talk to me anyhow.
You could bring it in a cup, you could send it in a glass of warm, me rum in the morning.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. So today is going to be a very different video for me. This is the first time I'm using like any type of extensions, well except for braids. I don't really call them braids, but this is the first time I'm using any type of extensions in my hair. So wish me luck. I am going to be using, I purchased this, you guys would have seen this on my Instagram if you follow me, but I purchased this the other day. I saw Tsahi from Tsahi Hair Goals use some of Outre's units lately, and I decided I wanted to try it out. So I bought their big beautiful hair clip-in set. It's supposed to be for a kinky curly in natural black, and that is what she is looking like. So as I said, this is my first time using any type of extensions like this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I tried to watch a few YouTube videos just to kind of get myself acclimated a little bit. But I'm definitely nervous. So if you guys would like to see how I install these clip-ins and get my hair together, then definitely keep on watching. So yeah guys, this is the hair. This is what we are looking like. It feels really soft. So, you know what? I lie. I did use like bundle hair similar to this to make a wig. Well, not similar to this. It was a different curl pattern, but I did try to make a wig back in the day, and that was something. So this is my second time, I guess you could say, but my first time for sure using clip-ins. So let's go ahead and install these and see what we can get. Oh, let's see. So before I install them, just some specs on the hair. Like I told you guys, it is for a kinky curly, they call it. It is said to be 100% human hair premium blend. So of course it's not 100% human hair, but they mix in human hair with the synthetic hair. It is 9 clip-in pieces. And it comes in a variety of colors. I just chose to get natural black because I thought that it would go with my hair best. My hair's a little browner than it is, but I think it could work. So the hair comes with different size wefts. There is a 5-inch, a 7-inch, an 8-inch weft, 10-inch weft, and 12-inch weft. So these are all of the bundles that we have, and then we also have 4 3-inch wefts here. And as you guys could see close up, the hair is very pretty, very defined, super soft. So I am excited about this. So as you guys could tell, this is looser than a 4A to me. It looks more like 3B 3C curls, but what we'll do. Y'all, the best part about this is that I paid only $20 US for all of this hair. Like, that is crazy to me. And by the time I cleared it with my skybox and everything, it came up to be around 320 TT. So that is not bad at all for something that you could wear over and over again. So let me stop rambling and get into the actual style. So yeah guys, this is the before. This is what we are working with, and I am going to go ahead. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to go ahead and do my braid pattern off camera. So like I said to you guys, I am not an expert at all, and I'm sure there are way better people who can explain these things better than I can. So all of the videos, well not all, but a couple of the videos that I use as inspiration, I will link their channels down in the description box so you guys can check it out if you are so inclined. And I will be right back as soon as I finish braiding up my hair. Hey guys, so I am back. I finally finished installing my braids, and I'll turn around in a second so you guys can see the braid pattern. But this little part in front here is my leave out, the twist I have, and then I put these 4 anchor braids, and I'm talking like a real nobody people singer. So these are my 4 anchor braids, and then I have what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 braids going straight back. So these are the 10 braids that I have going straight back, and all I did was lay them as flat as possible and just kind of bobby pin them kind of in the grooves there. And I also left leave out in the back, as you guys could see, and going around to the sides, just in the event that I choose to wear this hair up like in a ponytail or something. So now that we have that settled, we're going to go into the installing process, and this is going to be such a learning curve for me, but here we go. So from what I've seen, people generally use the 5-inch weft at the very back and then work their way up. So I will follow suit and see how we go. And it's only now I remember I should have made an anchor braid to the back here, but I didn't, so maybe next time. Alright y'all, so I had a bit of trial and error with this thing, just trying to situate where everything should go so that it fits properly. Okay, so now comes the part where you really want to pay attention. So I'm using the 7-inch weft going straight across, and I'm anchoring it onto this braid and placing it going straight back like so. So now that we have most of the hair already in, we can go ahead now and put in the 3-inch pieces up top, and I think I could probably take off the tags on these. So what you want to do so that you have maximum coverage, instead of placing the wefts going this way so that you'll see the tracks, you want to place them all going back this way. So yeah, I don't know if you guys could tell, but you can't really see the weft that much based on how you install the braid and the hair. It's kind of hidden in between the braids, so that is perfect. Alright, so that's basically the flip over method. So you see how we install the clips going back this way, it kind of just flips over back into your face. So honestly, you don't even really see the weft. I can't really tell what's going on in the back, but this is what we have going on in front, and I think this looks amazing. So now you could go ahead and undo your twist. Now you could also just wear like a headband or something with this if you don't want to have leave out. That is also an option. So yeah guys, and the flip over method is going to make sure you don't really have much blending to do, because it's just going to flip back over your actual hair. I could already tell I'm going to need a lot of practice with this, just with the placement of the clips. As I said, this is my first time, but guys, like, this is my hair and this is the clip-in hair. Like, how crazy is that? This is mine and this is the clip-in hair. Like, that is wild to me. It almost looks the same. So I don't really have, turns out this was actually a good texture for me to get because I don't really have much blending to do. Alright y'all, so this is what we are looking like right now, and I actually really like it. Like, I want to cut pieces of it just to make it frame my face better, because this looks kind of long and weird to me. As I said, if you wanted, you could literally just put your hair underneath so that it doesn't even show. So even if you feel like getting a texture that's different to yours, just literally flip the hair over yours and you are golden. So yeah guys, this is the final look, and honestly for $20 you cannot go wrong. Like, I am super impressed. Like I told you guys, the hair is very soft. I like the fact that it's not super defined and that it still has a little bit of frizz to it. It kind of gives it a little bit more of a natural look. It has a natural length, a natural color. It's not super shiny that as you would expect synthetic hair to be. So that is amazing as well. I'm just really impressed overall by the quality of this hair for the price point. That is amazing to me. I just need to get better at figuring out how to clip these things into my head to suit my head and the size of my head. I have concluded I think I have a small head because I'm fighting to get all of the clips to fit properly. But with a little bit of practice, I'll get there. So yeah guys, if you guys have any questions about this hair that I may not have covered in this video, comment that down below and I'll be sure to address that in a follow-up video where I do an update on how the hair is holding up, and I'll probably do like different styles and things with it. So if you have any questions, again, comment that down below and I'll be sure to address that in the subsequent video regarding this hair. So yeah guys, if you like this video, then definitely hit the thumbs up button. Comment below any questions you may have on this hair that you would want me to address in a subsequent video, and I'll be sure to take note of that for you guys. Also, sis or sir, if you've gotten to this point in the video and you are not yet subscribed, what are you doing with your life? You should definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. It would also bring me so much Christmas cheer if you did. And yeah, I hope to see you guys very soon in the next video. Again, check out some of my other videos in the Vlogmas 12 Days of Christmas playlist that I will link up above in the cards and down in the description box below. I will also put the link to this hair, as well as the inspiration videos that I used to do the braid pattern. So all of that information will be down in the description box below, and I will catch you all in the very next video. Bye guys!